I'm not. I don't lose shit like that. Okay. All right, now I see. All right, now I see.
Oh, you don't lose them intentionally, but.
Right, yeah, but shit happens.
Yeah.
Shit happens because I've definitely lost shit. This here. Maybe it's that. Yeah, right there.
Yank this one out of the way.
Oh, all right, I see what you're talking about. Yeah.
Stick that on there. Okay, now you open up
Yeah.
Oh, there's another boot.
Yeah, I took it loose.
Oh,
though.
Okay.
Oh, it's right. No, it's coming off. So it's stuck on here. Like that. Let's get that. It's got some squeeze like this.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, okay. That's nice. Now we can come off with the spider web.
Starting with on March 29th, it's my birthday. And all I want to see happen on my birthday is for Elon to take it down. Yes. Listen, I have learned as I serve on the oversight committee that there is only one language that the people that are in charge understand right now. And that language is money. And so I've been so proud to see organized.
Lean.
So, what do you mean by that?
Alright.
Because right now,
And that's just the upper plenum.
I just over. Gotta get this big mammy jammy thing out right here. That's a mammy jammy.
excellent result. When you see it, show.
And now we'll just take and extract the last little bit of coolant down in the engine.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Why is our government telling us what kind of cars we can produce, what kind of cars we can buy, what kind of cars we're not allowed to own? Like, what country did I just wake up in? And then of course it's all turned around because Elon Musk woke up one day and saw the censorship on the left and realized that the basic freedoms were being taken away and he didn't do something about it. It was all going for his kids, and he decided the best way to do it was to fight the left. And now, immediately he turned into public enemy number one. Even the president himself was going after him. And of course, this is just wanton political violence based on Elon Musk's viewpoint. And, that's not accepted anywhere in the United States of America because it is a civil right to be able to believe in whatever you want to believe in. And if other people might think it's crazy, you're supposed to be allowed to believe in whatever you want to without the fear of violence being perpetrated against you.
Real problem where the town, I was living in Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C. during 2020, where there's no charges, nothing ever happens. When you're elected and you attack President Trump and he's killing you, what they did, May the 20th, 2020, a true insurrection. By definition, an insurrection is when you're armed and you're attacking the leader of the country in order to oppose or kill them. And that's what they all said to me. I can speak serious about the topic. I was standing there with a camera asking them, and they all told me they want to kill Trump. They said, burn the White House. They burned down buildings that are part of the White House compound.
We were down at the bunker, right? Being sheltered by the Secret Service for his own safety.
You fixing to find out.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
How do you know if they make it Mexico? Right now they got a company. Whatever you want, bring it. I thought they only had one. Then when I got there, I get leave with the Mexico. So we don't have no problem.
All of that for that.
It ain't bad. This is preventative.
Yeah.
This is what's leaking now.
Right.
That's going to leak. So we change it.
Yeah, because if this breaks before you can service it, you're in a world of trouble.
I can't see, man.
That too, huh? Yeah, so this these that sit in the engine, in the lower intake, is for your coolant flows. No bueno. Can't believe these idiots made it out of plastic. Yep. Planned obsolescence, people. That's what that is.
Stupidity. Especially when you're paying $110,000 for a vehicle.
Right, yeah. That right there. And what happens? It breaks off into your engine. This is a Range Rover. Just in case you didn't know that. So listen up. Make sure when you get this thing off, check the old one. There's no O-rings on it. They're gonna be on the back of that motor. Get them off of there.
You and Daddy fucking character around here. I'm about to start walking around here with my motherfucking camcorder. I'm gonna make you fucking move out of y'all.
Yeah, you do that shit. I'm game. I don't care me. I don't care me. I'm all about it.
Especially when Daddy get pissed off and something don't work. When something don't work right.
Woo. Yeah, you hear him.
I said, Daddy, I just said, look at I'm telling you. I said, just leave it alone, bro. Let me see if I can do it. Just leave it alone. Leave it alone.
So, when you're doing these jobs, this hose right here, throttle body got wedged in there and broke the little nipple. When you do these, you ought to go ahead and start bidding in these parts with the job. Makes your life easier, because either they'll break or they'll leak. And that was your tech tip of the day. Make sure you don't forget to pull your rags out the intake ports.
Yes.
That'll be a serious dog. Why you say 8? That's only 6 holes.
6 holes?
Yeah.
That's why I said it was only be 8. That's why I was lighter. That makes sense.
That makes sense.
Yeah. It's the same way I got rid of this pool.
After you pull all of your rags out, double check in there with a flashlight. Make sure there's no remnants in the valve ports. Check all of the intake runners. Alright. I think we're ready to set the plenum, the upper plenum back on. We'll find out.
This the one in the toilet bowl we had. They had it in old. I mean, had one factory, one is missing factory, the other one had it. I got 20 bolts on it.
Yeah, sure. But like I said, if I
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, okay.
yeah, so I mean, I don't have to do
Right, right. No, do that. For now, we don't have Sorry, this one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If I break this one, we'll be able to get that one versus 9. I gotta figure out council off the 3.
Two super long ones. Don't forget what days it's ready to go. These are the 4 that go in the very top in the center of the plane. These 2 super long ones. Those right here in the front, between these 2 shorter ones, both sides. So, right there and there. Lube works, man. Use it. Don't be shy with it. Look tired.
That was a lot of pumping.
I see that.
Who says it don't pay off?
It pays off. Uh-oh. That might be old. I said, uh-oh, but that might be old. I just see a drop on the belt. I just thought it was might have been coming from here, but I don't see nothing wet right there. That's good.
Yeah, that was too old because it was so shiny. I mean, so green. I mean, orange.
All right, cool.
But it looks like something's leaking here. Because that looks old. But it could have been leaking out the front, you know?
Yeah, possible. Yeah, because it's all the way up here, yeah. It's back together and running, y'all. So far, so good.
In the neighborhood.
Yeah. Camera battery was dying, so we had to plug it in, so the camera wasn't running when we cranked it up. But she's running.
Any questions, you can always email me at Daniel@MidasTouch.com. Midas Touch.
Right there, up on the wall.
.com.
If you're in the New Orleans area, bring your car here for service. We also have tow trucks available. So we have a check engine light with the Supercharger code. Here's what we found.
I'm gonna pull them all out, get this connector out where we're going. Great.
What you need?
Not stuck to the fucking light.
Yep.
That's about fucking.
Yeah, about right. All right. She's all back together. Ready to rock and roll. These covers right here, you want to know why y'all your engine plastic gets dried out and dry rotted so fast? These covers, they hold a tremendous amount of heat. So if you got two brain cells to rub together, these engine covers, you take them sons of bitches off of your car if you want your plastic and your rubber to last. Thank you all for watching. God bless.